guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan from the Swing Trade Pros team here. In this video, we're going to show you guys how to set up the 3commas bots with the Binance Trader account. Now, if you guys are interested in earning up to 1% on your bots daily, then stay tuned for this video. We also have a special guest. We'll see you there. Hey guys, welcome back. So our special guest tonight is STP Todd. Alright, so in this short video, we're going to go through how to set up the 3commas Binance Trader account. And Todd, take it away.
Sounds good, guys. Thanks for tuning in. So in the link below in the description will be our affiliate link for 3commas. Please use it, as if you decide to go for leverage trading, it'll save you 10% off on fees. So currently we're trading on Binance, Bybit, and as well BitMEX as well. 3commas is free for Binance Trader account, so you can try this out for free and also try our signals out for free until November 14th. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click the link here to try the platform out, which will take us down to create an account with 3commas. You can sign up with Facebook, or you can input an email and a password and a promo code. As well, if you would like to join our Discord, we have promo codes available there. So we'll leave you to fill out the form here to create an account, and now let's head over to the 3commas dashboard. So as soon as you get into 3commas, this will be your dashboard here. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to link your exchange. So let's go over here and let's go add exchange. At this point, you should set up an exchange with some funds on it, whether it be BTC or USD. For this example, we're just going to use Binance. You're going to enter the name, so you could click in Binance. You're going to go to Binance and get the API key and the API secret. Once you have that done, you're going to click Connect an Exchange. If you guys need further help with this, you can always click over here to go to the wiki. That'll show you how to create an API key more in depth. We'll assume in this video that you'll be able to follow through with the wiki, and it'll show you how. So once you have your exchange linked, the next step is going to be to head on over to the marketplace, and you will find our STP scalper alerts. You're going to have to scroll down a little bit here, and we're going to go down to the fifth one here. And as you can see, we're free until November 14th. So let's click View Stats, and let's get into it. Let's take a look at the stats here first before anything. So we're scalping on the a lot of currencies here: Binance, BitMEX, Bybit. We do not recommend a stop loss. We DCA aggressively and get out in profits. So as you can see, we've got a lot of green here. Let's load 60, and what do you think here, Evan?
Well, first off, DCA, guys, just means dollar cost average. And yeah, man, I mean, we got 60 pages of data here on 3commas. We've been on their platform now since I want to say middle of October, so for at least a couple weeks now, and we've had some really great results. Obviously, plenty of folks in our Discords posting testimonials, and you guys should definitely check that out. And yeah, man, this is a great opportunity to automate your trading. So, Todd, take it away.
Yeah, thanks for that. So just as you notice here, we've got a lot of positive results. The users that want to follow our recommended settings will be very profitable with this. We recommend no stop loss. We recommend dollar cost averaging to exit the deals in profits. So if you head on over to the left side here, we've got how to set up the bots with the scalper signal. We've got bot settings that you can copy and replicate to your exact accounts. We've got all the BitMEX pairs, long and short. Please note, long and short bots of the same pair are to run on separate BitMEX accounts. We've also got all Bybit pairs available, and same thing, all longs and shorts need to run on separate accounts. And we also have BTC and ETH long and short for Binance, as well as a BTC composite and USDT composite. So this will be on the left here. This is the easiest way to get set up with our bots. On the bottom, I'll just show you the overview. This is a high-level overview of how our scalper alerts actually work. Gives you a little bit more of a run-through and a little bit more information on it. And as well, we give you recommended settings for the STP scalper alerts should you want to build your own bot from scratch as opposed to creating your own. This just gives you a little explanation on the settings and how they work. keep in mind there are more advice and more in-depth setting directions available on our Discord should you want to join. And the link to our Discord is just here on the top. So the next thing that you're going to have to do here is you're going to have to click try it now, and you're going to have to subscribe. In this video, we are already subscribed here, so this is going to take us to a bot. I'll have to go back here.
Yeah, make sure you guys click that like and subscribe button if you guys like what we're doing here. Todd's doing a great job with all these bots, and we're just trying to help you guys out here.
Yeah, thanks for that, Evan. Apologize. On this account here, we've already subscribed. So on your account here, you're going to have to click subscribe. There's going to be a pop-up that'll come up with a disclaimer. You're going to have to click that, and you're going to have to click yes to subscribe to STP Scalper Alerts. So from there, we're going to roll down here to Binance, and we are going to click the BTC Composite Long bot. And we're going to click that bot, which is the exact settings that we're running. And you can copy these direct settings to your account. Now, as you see here, this has got a nice profit curve here. This bot's made $27 so far. It's running on STP Scalper Alerts. It's currently in a few positions, and it has completed 140 deals and 7 active deals at the moment. So you can tell that this is a good running bot, and you can also run it on your account as well. How do you run it, you might ask? You just run on down here to the copy button. We're going to click copy, and we are going to select Binance Trader for this account here. So Binance Trader, we've got a Binance BTC multi-long bot. It's a composite. We're going to roll on down. It's got all the correct pairs on it and all the correct settings. We've got STP Scalper Alerts here, and we've got everything as it was on the bot page. It's as simple as now clicking create bot, and all you'd have to do is click start, and bot is turned on. And now you will receive bot deals from our Scalper Alerts, which will also come to your Telegram should you decide to hook that up. So from here, the easiest way to monitor it is hooking up the Telegram to 3Cs, and you'll now receive our Scalper Alerts for free until November 14th, which can be sent over to your phone via Telegram, so you are on the go making bot deals happen. Now from here on out, for more advanced strategies and risk management, please join our Discord. We've got a lot of resources and courses available for you guys, as well as trade setups, technical analysis, and some coaching. And Evan, would you like to add anything?
No, man. Todd, wonderful job here tonight. It was a pleasure going through the details here of how to set up the 3commas bots. Make sure you guys hit that like, that bell, and that sub, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Thanks, guys.